Hello, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install the AM Play app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder: if you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So let's head straight into it. We're going to hop over to the settings app, and this is the first part of the tutorial. I'm going to show you how to enable apps to install from unknown sources, or enable certain apps to install unknown apps. So we're going to do this going to System and going into About. Then we'll toggle on over to Android TV OS Build. I want you to click on this 7 times. If you click on this 7 times, you see an option that you see pop up on your screen. You are now a developer. So with that information, if you want to just confirm that has worked, just head over to the system and toggle on to settings, and you find this setting that says developer options. That's confirmation that you have become a developer. And remember, all this is to do is to ensure that you have the developer status to install apps from unknown sources, or allow these apps to install an application that is unknown. So head over to your app drawer, and now you're going to be using the APK Time application to do this installation. So I'm about to launch the APK Time app, but if you do not have this app, check the link in the description below for a video that will show you how to download the app. So I've clicked on the application and it is loading. When I'm in the app, I'm going to navigate down to find the AM Player app. I'll go down to the option that says Players and Browsers, click on it, and then head down on this list to find the application. So right there you see the Drama Live APK. This is a drama player, and I'm going to click on download. So in this case, I've already downloaded the application. Click on this button begins to download, and it's done in a fairly short period of time. So immediately download, you're going to go to the installation process, just like you've seen me do here. So as I click on the download button again, since I have the app downloaded, it's staging the application and it's going to install. You find an install button on my screen, but that may not be the case with you. You may find the toggle message that is saying unknown apps or unknown sources. You're going to navigate down that list to enable APK Time app. So click on the toggle that enables the app, and that will enable the application to have the permission to install an app which is unknown, or install an app from an unknown source. So if that is done, you see this install button, just click on it and you have the app installing. So I'll sit back and relax for a couple of seconds, and this Drama Player app is going to install. So at the end of the installation process, I'll open the application to show you how it looks on the inside. So give this app a couple of seconds, and right here it has been installed. So I could just click on the open button right here. Alternatively, go to the apps drawer and open it from there. But here is the application ready to use. It's asking for a URL. If you put it, begin to stream. So that is it for this video. If you found it insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.